Why did not smile today? Tell me that.
Well, hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing very good. Mast hai na? So yeah, we are going to go for a food adventure today, and it's going to be a different continent. Now guess which one? I'm thinking you're not going to have a clue, because it's not going to be Asian, it's not going to be American, it's not going to be European. Well, to find out, let's go and check it out. Come on.
ይሄ ማህበራዊ ይባላል። ማህበራዊ ክትፎ አለ፣ ምቾት አለ፣ አይብ ጎረድ፣ ቅቅል፣ ጥብስ፣ አይብ እዚህ ጋር ምቾት አለ፣ ጫወታ አለ። ማህበራዊ የኢትዮጵያ ምግብ ስፔሻል ምግብ። እናመሰግናለን። ሽኩራን።
So guys, I tried most of them, actually all of them. So the mutton one is good because I love mutton, but there is no like taste of spices in it. I think it's like mostly made of like it's not like an Indian dish. Like Indian has a lot of flavor and stuff. This has flavor, but it's very subtle. It's very calm. You know, yeah, it's okay. Mutton flavor is good. This one over here, this meat thing is like raw. Okay? Mostly raw. It's cooked. It's like a little bit cooked, little. Some parts of it is cooked, and mostly it's not cooked. And the potato keema, which is cooked, it's bland with I don't know how do they make this. Like say, it's like mostly you can get more flavor from the potato. I think it sucked up the whole curry. I think, you know, yeah. I'm not enjoying this one. This I'm not enjoying it because it has so much tomato and it's like a lot of tamarind in it. Like I'm not enjoying it. Like I like little hint of tamarind, but this is like too much. Not for me. Yeah. This consists of fat. Most of it. This is mutton. I love it. They have cheese also. Very different. It's not like okay. The mutton needs a bit more cooking for people who like it very soft and tender. It's very tender. But if you ask me, okay, but meat, you can eat it. It's not like you cannot eat it. You have to tear it and nothing like that. But it's good.
The first location was amazing, people. Now let's go towards the second location. Enjoy.
Why did not smile today? Tell me that. He's not even telling anything. What happened? He
I'm still getting over the uncooked food.
Really?
Yep.
That's the... yeah, of course. Everyone will have an issue with it. But what is the issue? Main thing. This guy got really traumatized, guys. I don't know why. I know, of course, it's uncooked. But still, like, it's food after all. It's not a gun pointed at you.
Yep, until next time. like a pudding, like a cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Yeah, it's cream cheese. It's good.
अच्छा, ये try करके बता.
Yeah, it's good. It's very nutty. It has this honey hazelnut flavor. Yeah.
That's it.
Yep.
Okay.
We have Saint Sebastian here, and then we have Medovik. Now, what's Medovik? It's a Russian honey cake, which is on the historic side, which is like around 19th century cake. So let's try a Russian cake and Saint Sebastian, which is a Spanish cake. All right, let's go and find out. Guys, let's try Saint Sebastian with chocolate syrup. Here it goes. Oof, too sweet. It feels like I'm having chocolate, not cake. Never fails. But I would want it without the chocolate. The chocolate's too sweet. Like really too sweet. It's class to it. Whoever made this is really good, like he knows what he's doing. So yeah guys, Dolcini does not fail doing their wonder, you know. I like the cake, too sweet for my taste. Let's try, what do you say, Medovik, the honey, Russian honey cake. Let's go. It looks like a carrot cake for me. Yeah, strong honey flavor, very good layering. There is nothing like over or getting stuff done. Perfect. There are nuts. It gives me a vibe of the carrot cake which my mom makes. It's good. Everything is perfect. I would prefer the Medovik cake over the cheesecake. Basically Saint Sebastian, but I would go with this. Adventure today, so it's very good, you know, outing. So it's good that we had a different cuisine. We'll see more coming up. Just hit the bell icon, get subscribed, and watch out more videos coming up. More cuisines coming up on new videos. Stay tuned. Take care.